Alright, this is the first question in the 2022 AIME, right? Like, I haven't seen this question either. We're in the same boat here, yeah? I think I made the question a little bit easier by trying to tell you what the conditions are. So you get these two things with these conditions, and you're asked to find what C plus F is, right? Okay. So we already explained how four equations and four knowns is enough to find C and F. Okay, so it's kind of just a matter of doing it efficiently, so you don't run out of time for the other questions. Um, so one thing that might be nice is you see that, like, okay, it's hard to explain this, but the 2x squared and the minus 2x squared, they kind of cancel, so you might not have to actually figure out what 16 squared is and stuff like this, yeah? So, for example, if you put in 16, you get like 54, 54, yeah? You can just add them, so you get 108 equals 0 plus 16, and then it's B plus E plus C plus F, right? And then if you do P20 equals Q20 equals 53, and you add them, right? Then you get 106 equals 20 times B plus E plus C plus F, right? And so now you have two equations and two unknowns because you only really want to find C plus F, right? So, but for some reason, the way it's set out, it makes you kind of find 4B plus E first, um, which is kind of suggests what you're doing is correct um, because you found 4B plus E, right? You found 4B and you found 4E. So if you subtract them, you get 4B plus E equals minus 2, right? Yeah, so actually it's not bad that your thing was negative because the C plus F will be positive. So that'll have to be negative. So then 4B plus E is um minus 2, right? Then 16B plus E is minus 8. Yeah. And so then you just make this minus 8. And then C plus F is a minus 2. Okay, so yeah, it's hard to explain this all at once because we don't have that much time, but it's basically um you know you wanna find the most efficient way to do the problems. You have time to do the actual hard problems. Yeah, the problems you know how to do, you want to do them efficiently. I don't want to say do fast because fast is more. It's kind of like sometimes you do the same thing and you just rush it. It's not quite the right way of phrasing it. Um, but then also the exam isn't everything. Okay, we're trying to build up long-term mathematical skill. Um, so maybe what this comes under is it's kind of like when you do like sort of I don't know what some people might call school math. It's like you learn a general formula that works for everything, right? And so four equations, four unknowns, you just kind of go at it till you figure them all out, right? Whereas this kind of situation, it's more like even though you have a general approach for everything, it's still sometimes for every individual situation, there might be like a really great way to do that individual situation, right? And so, um, and then you kind of appreciate the niceness of that. Do you have any questions? Hmm. Yes.